Westbrook Sterling Law Group, this is Jordan.
Hi, I was in a car accident last week and I think I need a lawyer.
Oh no. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm alright. My neck's been bothering me though.
I'm sorry, that sounds miserable. Is it all right if I get some information so we can have an attorney call you back?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Okay. Have you seen a doctor for your neck?
Yeah, I went to urgent care and they said it's a whiplash.
Whiplash can really linger. When did the accident happen?
Last Tuesday.
Got it. Where did it happen?
On Sepulveda near the 405.
Okay. Was there a police report?
Yeah, they came out and took one.
Good. Do you have the other driver's insurance information?
Yeah, I got his card.
Perfect. Has their insurance contacted you yet?
They called yesterday. I wasn't sure what to say, so I didn't tell them much.
Smart. Better to talk to a lawyer first. Can I get your name?
Michael.
Thanks, Michael. What's the best number to reach you?